Magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, o magandang gabi, o anong oras yung napanood ang channel na ito. Welcome sa atin pong channel Matuto Dapat. Our topic for today is about fundamental operations on fractions. And again, this is your Professor, Engineer Eduardo Tapia. So, in mathematics, we have the four fundamental operations. We have the plus, minus, o multiplication at saka division, no? Or we have the addition, subtraction, okay? Multiplication and division. Let's start with addition. Okay, addition and subtraction of similar fractions. We have definition, similar fractions have the same denominator. Okay. These are the steps in adding or subtracting similar fractions. Number one, add or subtract the numerators of the given fractions and use the sum of difference as the numerator of the resulting fraction. Number 2, copy the denominator of the given fractions and use it as the denominator of the resulting fraction. Number 3, reduce the answer to its lowest terms if possible. Example, perform the operations on fractions on the following. Okay, so kapag similar fractions, so directly we can add or subtract the numerator, no? Di copy lang ang denominator. Okay, for example, 3/5 plus 6 over 5. So since ang ating denominator ay parehas, 5 and 5, okay? So directly we can add the numerator. So 3 plus 6, so that is 9. Then copy the denominator 5. Okay, now since ang ating 9 over 5 is improper fraction, so we have to reduce this, no, as the instruction said that we have to reduce it to the lowest term. So 9 over 5, okay, ang gagawin natin, magiging mixed number. Okay? Sa 9 or 9 divide 5, so sa 9 mayroong isang 5. So we have 9 over 5 or 1 and 4/5. Okay? Kasi 4 na lang natitira dito eh. So 4/5. 1 and 4/5. Number 2. 3/10 plus 4 over 10 plus 1 over 10. So again, this is similar fractions kasi ang denominator ay parehas. So copy the denominator, which is 10, and then add the numerator, 3 plus 4 plus 1. So that is 8. And 8 over 10 can be simplified to the lowest term. Paano? So divide natin ng 2 both sides. Kukunin natin yung tinatawag ating greatest common factor nilang dalawa. So the greatest common factor is 2. So ang 2 over 2 is 1. Kaya wala tayong nalabag na batas dyan. No? So 8 divide 2 is 4. 10 divide 2 is 5. So the final answer is, in the simplest form, ay 4 over 5. Number 3. 5 over 7 minus 2 over 7. So, ang denominator is the same. Kaya, minus lang natin ang 5 minus 2. So, we got 3 over 7. Right? So, how about kapag dissimilar ang denominator? Ang gagawin natin, we have to find the less common multiple ng denominator. No? Yan, use the LCM as your less common denominator, or LCD, as the new denominator of the fractions. Convert the fraction by dividing the LCD by the denominator of the first fraction and multiply the results to the numerator, then do the same to second fraction. Then add or subtract the fraction using the process to similar fractions. Example, perform the operations on fractions of the following. Number 1, 3/5 plus 7 over 20. So in this case, ang ating denominator ay magkaiba, no? So ang gagawin natin, we have to find the less common multiple. Okay. Ang 5 natin, so we have the less common multiple. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and so on and so forth. But sa 20 natin ay 20, 40. So ang gagawin natin, ang less common multiple nila ay 20. Okay? So 20, ang gagawin natin less common denominator. So yeah, 20 na. Okay? Tapos, convert natin yung itong fraction na to, 3/5. So 20 divide by 5, so that is 4, times 3, so 12. Okay, pangalawa, 20 divided by 20 is 1, times 7, so 7. So 12 plus 7 over 20. And that is 19 over 20. Kaya lang, hindi na natin siya ma-reduce into the simplest form. So it is our final answer. Number 2, 3/5 plus 1 over 6 minus 8 over 15. So, ang ating denominator ay magkaiba, kaya gagamit tayo ng LCM. So, ang LCM ng 5 ay 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, so on and so forth. Sa 6 ay 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Okay. Sa 15 ay 15, 30, 45. So, ang pinaka-less common multiple ay 30. Okay? So, 30. So, 30 ang gagamitin natin as our LCD here. And then, we have to divide. No, 30 divide 5 ay 6. Times 3 ay 18. Okay? Tapos, 30 divide 6 ay 5. Times 1 ay 5. 30 divide 15 ay 2. Times 8 ay 16. Okay? So, we have now 18 plus 5 minus 16. Okay? So, we have now 23 minus 16 over 30. And our final answer is 7 over 30. Okay? O negative 7, 7 over 30. Okay? So that is our final answer. 7 over 30. 7 over 30 ay hindi na natin ma-lowest form. Okay? Okay, next. Addition and subtraction of mixed numbers. Number 1, this is the steps. Add or subtract the whole number separately, then add or subtract the fractions. Okay, then reduce the answer to its lowest terms if possible. Example, perform the operations on fractions of the following. So we have 3/5 plus 2 and 1/5. So, ang atin pong okay, ito ay mixed number. Mayroon siyang whole number at saka fraction. So, gagawin natin, i-separate natin yung whole number. So, you have 2 plus, gagamit tayo ng plus operation, tapos 3/5 at saka 1/5. But 3/5 and 1/5 is similar fractions. So, therefore, we have to use the process of adding similar fractions. So, since common ang 5 na denominator, so yun ang ating denominator. So, add the numerator 3 plus 1. So, you have 2 and 4 over 5 or 4 over 5. Number 2, 4 and 3 over 10 plus 2 and 4 over 10 minus 1 and 1 over 10. Kaya sunod natin gagawin. So, we have 4 plus 2 minus 1. So, separate natin lahat ng whole number. Then, you are using now the plus sign or addition here. And then, lahat ng fractions pagsamahin natin. Again, our fraction ay similar fractions. So, ang ating common denominator ay 10. And then, add the numerator. So, 3 plus 4, 7. Minus 1 ay 6. So, that is 5 plus 6 over 10. But 6 over 10 can be reduced. No? So, that is 5 over 6. 5 and 6 over 10. And 6 over 10 natin ay marireduce natin. So, that is, the final answer is 5 and 3 over 5. Kasi itong 6 over 10, i-divide natin ng both sides. Kasi yun ang ating greatest common factor. So, 6 divide 2 ay 3, 10 divide 2 ay 5. Okay? So, pag-reduce natin ng fraction to its simplest form, kunin natin yung greatest common factor. Number 3, 7 and 4 over 5 minus 2 and 1/6. So, ang whole number pagsamahin, so 7 minus 2. So, gamit again, we are using the plus sign here. Plus sign ang gagamitin natin lagi dito para mas ma-add natin, no? Hindi po pwede minus, okay? But the operation inside the parenthesis is minus. Kasi minus po to dito. So, 7 minus 2. So, ganoon. And then the fraction also ay minus 10. Okay, since ito ay dissimilar fractions, so ang gagawin natin, we have to find the LCM, no? So, ang ating less common multiple ay 30. So, 30 divide 5 ay 6. 6 times 4 ay 24. Okay, so 24. Then 30 divide 6 ay 5. So 24 minus 5. Okay, so 7 minus 2 is 5. Tapos 24 minus 5 ay 19 over 30. So 19 over 30. Next, multiplication on fractions. Okay. Number 1, directly multiply the first numerator to second numerator, then multiply directly the first denominator to the second denominator. Reduce your answer to the simplest form. Okay, example. Number 1, 3 is over 7 times 2 over 5. So, sabi yan, directly multiply the numerator at saka denominator to the denominator. So, 3 times 2 ay 6. And 7 times 5 ay 35. So, 6 over 35. Pangalawa, negative 3 over 5 times negative 1/6. So, pag multiplication of negative times negative, ang sagot natin ay positive. So, 1 times 3 ay 3. 5 times 6 ay 30. So, positive na siya. And ma-reduce natin into lowest form. So, divide natin ng 3 both sides. So, 3 divide 3 is 1. And 30 divide 3 ay 10. So, 110. Ito po yung ating final answer. Number 3, 3/4 times negative 5 over 7. Okay, so ang sagot natin, 3 times 5, 15. 4 times 7, 28. So, negative ito, kaya negative 15 over 28. So, hindi na natin ma-reduce into the lowest form. So, that is our final answer. Division of fractions. So, paano naman to? In division of fraction, find the multiplicative reverse or inverse, okay, or reciprocal of the divisor. Once the divisor is changed, proceed to multiplication process. Then directly multiply the first numerator to second numerator and multiply directly the first denominator to the second denominator. Number 3, reduce your answer to the simplest form. Example, number 1, 3 over 7 divide 2 over 5. So, ang gagawin natin, sabi nga dito, multiplicative inverse, okay, ng ating divisor. So, ang divisor ay 2 over 5. So, ang gagawin natin, i-reverse, gawin natin ito, i-reciprocal natin to. So, that is 5 over 2. And we are using now the multiplication sign, okay? Kasi dito, once the divisor is changed, proceed to multiplication process. So, multiplication na natin. So, 3 times 5, 15 over 14. Okay? So, simplify natin o lowest form, and that is 1 and 1 over 14. Okay? Number 2, negative 3/5 divided by negative 1/6. So, ito ay ating i-simplest form. Reciprocal form natin. Ang 1 over 6, that is 6 over 1. So, negative 3/5 times na siya, negative 6 over 1. So, 18, 3 times 6 ay 18, 5 times 1 ay 5. So 18 over 5, so positive dito. Or, ang lowest form natin is 3 and 3/5. Since there are 3 na 5 sa 15. Okay? Tapos remaining o remainder natin ay 3. Number 3, 3/4 divide negative 2. So, whole number to, but you have to reciprocal on this. And the reciprocal niyan ay negative 1/2. So, 3/4 times negative 1/2 na. Okay? So, kasi may 1 to siya dito, di ba, as kapag whole number, may 1 automatically sa ilalim, sa denominator natin. So, 3 times 1, that is 3. 4 times 2 ay 8. So, negative 3 over 8. Okay, multiplication and division of mixed numbers. Change the mixed number into improper fraction and then perform the multiplication or division of fraction. Reduce your answer to the simplest form. Okay, change, example, perform the operations on fractions of the following. Number 1, 2 and 3 over 7 times 1 over 5. So, ang gagawin natin, convert natin into improper fraction para mas madali nating ma-solve, no? So, paano po ba? Itong numerator, itong whole number at saka denominator, multiply natin. Okay? So, multiply natin yan. Tapos, yung result niyan, i-plus natin sa numerator. Okay? So, plus natin yan dyan. So, ganun din dito. Okay, 5 times 1 and then plus po natin sa numerator natin. Alright, so ang mangyari ay 7 times 2, 14 plus 3, 17. Tapos 5 times 1 ay 5 plus 2, 7. So you have now 17 over 7. So copy lang ang denominator. Numerator lang nagbabago. 17 over 7 times 7 over 5. Now, in this case, pwede na natin i-cancel ang 7 at saka 7 here. So, 7 divided by 7 is 1. Kaya magiging 1 to, magiging 1 din to. Okay, next. 17 times 1 and then 1 times 5. So, ang final answer natin is 17 over 5. Or, we can reduce it into improper mixed number, and that is 3 and 2 over 5. Okay, since mayroong 3 lima dito, so that is 3 and 2 over 5. Okay, number 2, negative 3/5 divided by negative 2 and 1/6. So, gawin natin itong improper fraction. Multiply natin ang 6 at saka 2. Okay, tapos ito ipa-plus natin. So, magiging yan, negative 3/5 divided by 6 times 2, 12 times plus 1 ay 13. So, 13 over 6. Negative pa rin. Sunod, since divide ito, reciprocal natin yung denominator ay yung ating divisor. So, negative 3/5 times, ang reciprocal nito ay 6 over 13. Okay? So, 3 times 6 at saka 5 times 13. Ang negative times negative. Okay, so that is 18 over 65. So, negative times negative ay positive na. Number 3, 1 and 3/4 divided by negative 2. So, ito ay kukonvert natin into improper fraction, and that is 7 over 4 times, ito naman ay reciprocal natin, so that is negative 1/2. Okay, so that is 7 over 8, and that is negative, since negative, positive times negative ay negative. Alright? Then, so ganun pagkuha natin, no, ng ating pag-solve natin ng fraction. Ulitin natin, kapag doon sa addition and subtraction of fraction, kapag similar fraction, directly copy the denominator and then perform the operations doon sa numerator. Ganun sa ating multiplication naman, directly multiply numerator and numerator to numerator, then denominator to denominator. Kapag division of fraction, reciprocal muna natin yung divisor. Saka mag-perform ng multiplication process. Alright? Kapag may mixed number, okay, so sa addition and subtraction, pagsamahin ang lahat ng whole number, pagsamahin ang lahat ng fractions. Okay? Pero kapag sa multiplication and division, mas maganda i-convert mo siya into improper fraction and then perform the operations. Alright, this is your activity to answer. Pwede kayo magpatulong sa mga may alam, no? And show the solution, no? Sabi nga natin, practice makes perfect. Okay? So, practice lang. So, maraming salamat, no, sa inyong pakikinig at panonood at pag-aaral. I hope you learned from this video lesson. Huwag kalimutan i-like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Matuto dapat. Maraming salamat. God bless you.